Hello, Bring a Trailer. It's Brett again. Back in the 1999 Mitsubishi Pajero Wide Exceed. I'm going to do a warm start here. No lights on the dash. Japanese doubled in with an aux input. Navigation as well. This has functioning audio. It looks like the screen might be bad. Not exactly sure. I'm fairly certain those are navigation systems as well. Here's our HVAC. I don't know if you can hear it very well, but heat blows hot, AC blows cold. Temperature control is working on that side as well. Okay. Directional control is working.